Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're close up because we're doing brows. I just tried the soap brows, which is pretty awesome. I really like it. But right now we're going to try Glossier's brow flick. So some people swear by this, and so I wanted to try it out. And it is a microfine detailing pen. I use Benefit. I use Anastasia. I've used other brands, but mainly Benefit and Anastasia are kind of the ones I go back and forth with eyebrows. But I'm always up to try something new. This is my first Glossier purchase. This retails for $18, and it is a brush tip detailing pen that fills in and defines brows. I currently have this brow done, and I have some a little bit in here, but this is a microfiber pen, so we're going to try this out. It fills and defines the brow arch, extends the tail, and adds depth to sparse areas. The pen's brush tip creates feather-like strokes that actually look real. Comes in 3 sheer shades, blonde, brown, and black. Oh, okay. So this only comes in 3 shades. Anastasia and Benefit has like 10 shades or 7 shades or something like that. Are you about to sit up all the way? She's been trying to sit up, which is kind of amazing. Look at you. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's try this out, guys. So I got it in brown. It looks a little dark for me because I like my eyebrows a little lighter than my hair because I find it can be jarring if they're the same color for me, which is weird. I know. Oh, okay. So this is plastic, by the way. And this looks like an eyeliner, right? The tip. You see that? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's give it a try. I like to do a little. Well, let me not do what I normally do, because the Anastasia and Benefit ones are crayon type, you know. So let's just try the. See. Oh yeah, this is like a marker. Okay. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't do a line. Because what I normally do is like trace a line across. Let me do hair strokes. Oh. Okay. I'm not very... Oops. Okay. I don't have a good hand. Okay. Oh. I don't... Uh-oh. I thought I was going to be good to put the tail on. Hi, gorgeous. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm lacking the delicate hand needed to use this. Let's see. Am I able to kind of smudge this out a bit? Maybe a little bit. I had this brow gel on, so that's helping it a bit, making it look probably better than it would if I just had nothing on. Okay, well, this is Smudge Proof once it actually dries all the way. This takes a very delicate hand, because as you guys know, I can be heavy-handed, and this shows in this. This looks like black on me though, even though it's just brown. I think that if they had this in a lighter shade, I would probably use this. Probably try and get used to it. You're doing so good, sweetie. You're doing so good. Yeah. I would. Yeah, this is, the color is too dark for me. And since it's like a kind of like a marker. It goes on very strong. So I would this is more for a defined brow. There we go. A strong defined brow. This doesn't work well for me, and it's probably user error because I'm the strokes, I'm not very good at doing it with this. I've perfected it a bit. I don't want to say I perfected because my brows aren't great completely. I've been growing them out for about 2 months almost to kind of let them fill in a bit. But yeah, or maybe I'm off. You guys tell me. Maybe my eyebrow is too light and this looks better. I don't know. For me, this is a bit too dark for me and too extreme. Yeah, too extreme. Like, oh no, I see you have eyebrows on. Yeah. So maybe if it was lighter, I would give it another try, but probably a crayon more effect, a pencil more effect works for me because I don't have a light enough touch to use this. That's what it seems. It is smudge resistant, says it's vegan, cruelty free, long wearing, and it's definitely buildable. I just think I started off with it being buildable. I just put it on there. So I hope this helps you guys figure out something you were looking to purchase or was wondering how it worked. For a novice like me, it's a little bit too dark in color, and I can be a little bit too heavy-handed for this. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys out. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit too defined, I'm wearing eyebrows for me. And again, that could be user error because of my heavy-handedness, and I don't have that light, hand like a makeup artist or just someone else would have. Yeah.